Right, this is a very quick tutorial just to show you how to add two images side by side if you're using the NexGen Gallery plugin. The problem is when you're using this plugin is that it uses CSS to float the images, and that can cause a little bit confusion if you're used to using just a standard HTML layout approach. But it's not terribly difficult, and I'll show you quickly how to achieve that. Okay, starting with our new page, all we do is we click on the Add NexGen Gallery button in the editing bar. The dialog opens up. We select the Picture tab because we want to add an individual picture. We select the image that we want to add. Let's put in the cubes image. We want to make that 200 pixels wide. Now the big difference here is that rather than just leaving it at that, we select float left. Okay, if my computer will allow me to do that. Right, float left, and we insert that. And you can see the code it inserts: single pic ID 14, so that's the ID of the photograph. The width is 200 pixels, the height is 240 pixels, but whichever one's maximum will limit that. I'll explain that a bit more in a later tutorial. And it's use float left. Very simple. Let's put a space in there, ready for our next one. Same procedure. Select the picture we want to add. Scroll on down. And I'm going to go for textile wall here. And again 200 pixels. And we can just put that one in as is, because it should be to the right of the other image. Let's insert that. Let's save the changes, and let's have a quick preview of how that's going to look. As it finishes loading up, here we go. It's loading up, and there we go. There's our two images side by side. Okay, that's all there is to that tutorial. So excuse the poor sound quality. I've mislaid my little microphone, so I'm using the inbuilt speaker. Anyway, I'll get back to you soon with some more. Thanks very much. Bye.